Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the offered templates by CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you should see on the bottom of the screen the second option is template. So here you have a bunch of options and you can select a template that you prefer and you like, and you can use that for your video. You can see at the top that there are different topics like for you, for TikTok, lifestyle, and so on. So if you like one of them, you just have to click on it, and you should see the use template option on the bottom, and you can see that you have to select 16 clips in order to use this template. And when you are done, just click on the preview, and afterwards you can download it and upload to TikTok or Instagram or wherever you would like. So this is really great, because if you want to make a quick video but you do not want to, or you do not have a lot of time, and you just come here and check one of these templates and use it, and CapCut will make the magic for you. So it's really great, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.